Shubor Skhem jong unong san Hima.
Kaseng Achik conscious holistically integrated krima hakala si ublay jong arterik ubanai jelio arhaja apusan kalalit banyak kendu barban IT da kador khas syaulat kajela UCH Vijaya Shankar Halor kijing Dawa bakong san jong kathan garu na kabenta karoi kapar kabakentup lang bat kabayar ringkat bat kajela Meghalaya borok kawai hakate kador khas kaseng kalabanjur ya kajingdon kam ban pinbana ya ka Tura kum ka Winter Capital, ban pintri kam ya ka ILP, knang bante lakam ya ka jingwan rung kerthep, kibrio banabar. Ban pinbet ya ka an riti dustur jangki garo, bat ka thup kerteng jangki nong thep vote, na ka benta ka GHADC. Ban pinbun ya ka pisa na ka benta ka Capital Williamson Sangma State University, bat kiwe. Syuk kaseng kala dawaru ban pinhe no ya ki kat leng sun baljek bat ban pinbena ya ka district bathamai hapo ka kerteng da dengre ka ban pinyapya na ka West Garo Hills na ka liang kinong yalam kaseng kilapan pau bakari lom garu kadai ka bala syak kantat slembha ha ka jing thmu pen roi ka barinti kumta menta ka angnuat ya ka jing pen bet ka badai hok lingba ka jing yarap ka badan jing thmu bat ka bala penya da ka policy Kilaong bakaseng kaong bakijing dawa jongki kilong kibapin syong nongrim bat kajing long maringkat hakariti sensyar kajing bishar hok hakathan bat kajing sensyar padba.
Actually, yes. As I said in the very beginning, when we talk about the winter capital, we are talking about to establish administrative, legislative, and judiciary bench in the Tura for the whole of 6 months. Regarding this Captain Williamson Sangma State University in Garo Hills, they have initial sanction. They have already sanctioned around 45.7 crore. No? They have initially sanctioned 45.7 crore. So, when we think about 45.7 crore, I think this to have this Captain Williamson S. Sangma University in Meghalaya in Garo Hills, I think this amount is not. I mean, we need more amount. No? We need more amount. This amount is very less. Less in a sense, Captain Williamson S. Sangma University has to be, look upon, infrastructurally, faculties, recruitment, and also UGC recognition and affirmations.